Bismillah, in this video we'll explain transformation. We have four types of transformation: translation, reflection, rotation, and enlargement. Now we start with translation. Translation, just we need to slide the shape to the right, to the left, up, down, so horizontally or vertically or both. To do translation, okay, we describe translation by column vector. Column vector. This column vector, we have two numbers. The first number is called x displacement, and he tells you if you move to the right or to the left. So this is called x displacement, the horizontal displacement. If it is positive, this means move to the right. If it is negative, move to the left. Same, second number, y displacement. It tells you if you move up or down. So vertical movement. So if it is positive, move up. If it is negative, move down. For example, if we have shape and we translate this, we need to translate this shape by column vector 3 and 2. The first number, this means move 3 units to the right because positive. The second number, so 2 units up. So if you have any point and you need to find its image by this column vector, so this means move 3 to the right, then 2 up. Okay, so find the image. Same if the column vector -2 and 5. This means each point, because -2, so move to the left. We have +5, so move up. So this means 2 to the left, then 5 units up for each point on the coordinates. Okay. Now we can apply that. We have this triangle. We need to find its image by the column vector 6 and -1. Label the new triangle B. So the column vector 6 and -1. Okay. So how to find the image now? Take any point, for example this point. How to find its image? X displacement 6, Y displacement -1. So 6 means move 6 units to the right. Because the first number, this is the horizontal distance. If it's positive, move to the right. So 6 units to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. -1 means 1 unit down. Because if it's negative, move down. If it's positive, move up. So 1 unit down. So this point, to find the image for this point, 6 to the right, 1 down, because 6 and -1. After you find the image for this point, now you can draw the triangle, because this triangle, 4 unit left and 2 down, so you can draw the same triangle, 4 unit left and 2 down. Then complete the triangle. So this is the image of triangle B by translation with column vector 6 and -1. Label this triangle B, so this triangle B. What about if we have the original shape and its image? The original shape and its image. How to find the column vector? So this translation, because we slice the shape to the right and down. We need to find the column vector. When the question describe fall is a single transformation which map B onto Q. Okay? So this means you need to tell him what is which type of transformation. Of course, this translation. And we need to write the column vector. So take any point and its image. For example, this point, its image here. This is the point and this is its image. How to travel from this point to that one?
3 to the right and 1 down.
Yes, 3 to the right and 1 down. So the column vector?
3 and negative 1.
3 and negative 1. Okay. So this translation with column vector 3 and negative 1.